Hi guys, it's playtime. Today we have a nice Korean toy and this is the Kongsani talking refrigerator. Alright, let's open this up. It comes with a very cute pink owl. Wow, taking this out took a long time. It's taped everywhere and with wires, but it's worth it. It's really a beautiful refrigerator and it's pink. I love the color. It has a handle here. Oh, another wires. Pink handle, kind of like a luggage. You can pull it up. Wow. This is a nice set that you can bring to your friends on sleepover or slumber party. This is really super cool. This is the stickers. Here it is. Oh, I love this one. Very nice. The instructions. They also come with this kind of like a purse. Cute. It says princess. So we have the blueberry and milk. Yay! I think this is tomato juice. Look at that. And pineapple juice. I like both of these, pineapple juice and tomato juice. That's cool. It says it's a talking refrigerator. We have to find out. Let's take out the cake. How delicious looking is this? Corn in a cup. And one piece of strawberry. There's a blue fish at the bottom. Let's put the ice cream down here and the milk up here. There's salmon, blueberry, pineapple, and tomato. Maybe we can put that here. There you go. Unfortunately, I cannot open the battery compartment, so let's leave it like that. So for now, this is not a talking refrigerator. I have to figure out how to open that one. Let's put back the cake. Even putting the cake is a struggle. There you go. Finally. Oh, the water is dripping. The baby and the larva. Looks like they're hungry. Well, the yellow larva is always hungry. He loves food. Let's see. What do you want to eat, baby?
I want a cake.
Okay. Okay, let me get it for you. If not only for the baby, I really would love to eat this cake, but I love this baby. Here's your cake, baby. That should be enough, baby. Let me get water for you, baby. Now it's my turn to find food in the fridge. Woohoo! Corn. I'm not sure about that. Strawberry. Let's open this side. That one! Ice cream! Should I use a spoon or what? Nah. Oh, this is so good. Oh, I think I'm full. I want to drink something but not water. Let me see. I want pineapple juice. Oh, this is so good. Alright, let's go, baby. Right on my back. Here comes Fuse. He looks grumpy. Might be that he's very hungry. Oh, looks like he doesn't like anything here. Pururu. Let's go to the other fridge. Oh, he likes the corn. Let's get the corn for Fuse. Here comes Catboy with Dipsy, Pato, and Pocoyo. It looks like Catboy doesn't want to get out from his cat car. Oh, Pocoyo wants the strawberry. How about Pato? Quack, quack, quack. Ooh. Surprise egg. Pato found a surprise egg. How about Dipsy? Oh, Dipsy found another surprise egg. Yum, yum. Open, open, open. Open. Calm down. Let's open the surprise egg for Pato. Chocolate. Open, open. Alright, alright. Oh, look at this, Pato. A toy, a toy. Yay, I got a toy. Dipsy, that's not the way to open the surprise egg. Let me help you. And this side is the chocolate. Looks like it's melting. And this side is the surprise toy. Look, Dipsy, there's a girl. And you have the same color, green. She has a long brown hair and she's wearing brown boots. Let's take her out. Looks like she is a fairy. She has wings. Yay! I love my toy. I love this too, Dipsy. Look. You match. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, more toys and surprises, and don't forget to subscribe. The only thing that I don't like about this fridge, aside from it's difficult to open the battery compartment, is it's dripping. Look at that. At first I thought I put too much water, but I don't think I did because the drip comes out here and here. Alright guys, have a good one.